Understanding the Contraceptive Patch, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important topic in health and personal care, the contraceptive patch. This video aims to help English language learners understand what a contraceptive patch is, how it works, and its significance. So, whether you're learning English for personal development, academic purposes, or travel, this video will enhance both your vocabulary and knowledge on a crucial subject. A contraceptive patch is a type of birth control that you apply to your skin. It's a small, square patch that releases hormones into your body to prevent pregnancy. These hormones are similar to those produced by your body and work by stopping ovulation, the release of an egg during your menstrual cycle, thickening cervical mucus, and thinning the uterine lining. This makes it harder for sperm to reach an egg and for an egg to attach to the uterus wall. Using the contraceptive patch is straightforward. You apply a new patch to your skin once a week for 3 weeks, followed by a patch-free week on the 4th week. During this week, you'll likely have your period. It's important to apply the patch to clean, dry, and hairless skin on either your upper outer arm, stomach, buttocks, or back to ensure it sticks properly and works effectively. Avoid using creams or lotions on the area before application, as this can interfere with the patch's adhesion. The contraceptive patch offers several benefits, including ease of use, consistency in hormone levels, and efficacy. It's also easily reversible. Once you stop using the patch, your ability to become pregnant returns quickly. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The patch may cause side effects like skin irritation, headaches, or nausea for some users. It's also important to note that while the patch can prevent pregnancy, it does not protect against sexually transmitted infections, STIs. We hope this video has helped you understand the contraceptive patch better and enriched your English vocabulary on health-related topics. Remember, discussing birth control options with a healthcare provider is crucial to making informed decisions about your health. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Remember, learning a new language opens doors to understanding complex topics and engaging in meaningful conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more topics that interest you.